We just got into our second hotel. This is the El Faro Hotel in Manuel Antonio. So that first place was kind of nice, you know, just for like a little bed and breakfast thing. But this place is pretty dope. Our bed is right here. Then we have this nice little seating area. And then we come out onto this balcony that overlooks all this. Now there's the pool below us. And then this is our view.
This is our honeymoon.
Yeah. We made it.
I've been crying ever since we got here.
Love you.
Thank you, Bella.
So we are here for 4 noches, 4 nights. So this is awesome. It's super bright with the sun reflecting off the ocean out there, but beautiful. It is 3:15. I am pretty hungry, so I think we're going to go get some, I don't know, lunch somewhere. Tabi wants to go in the pool as well. So we're gonna head down and just kind of enjoy the place. Probably won't film too much right now, but tomorrow we'll get some stuff. We're going on the catamaran trip and all that, so that's gonna be dope. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Remember to subscribe for more wicked vlogs and, you know, fitness videos and all that. And we're gonna go enjoy some of our honeymoon. All right? Catch you later. Peace. We chilled down by the pool for a little bit. The sun is kind of just starting to set out there. I don't know if it'll be able to, there. It's kind of focusing. So we are going to head right down here. There's a little restaurant and we're gonna grab a drink and then possibly grab something little to eat, because it is only, I think, like 4:40. It feels way later than that. There was an hour time change, so they're like an hour behind us here. So back home it's like 5:40, which still isn't that big of a time difference, but I think just the different like weather, being in the sun and all that has kind of, I don't know, it's a little bit more draining. But we're gonna go down, get a drink, and then probably check out some of the little shops and restaurants. There's a bunch of stuff down here. It's like a little beach strip right where this hotel is. So we're gonna go check that out and we will see you guys down there. Before going down there, wow, I should have kept my sunglasses. I put them away because the sun was behind the clouds and now it's low enough that it's below them again. But there is this nice balcony. Holy crap, I can't see. So there's this nice little balcony area up here. So this little seating area behind and a view kind of overlooking everything from the top of the hotel. So here is the grand view. Oh, there's a little bird right there. Okay. So you can see all these little trees and whatnot. Boom. Yeah. There's the water. Woo-wee. And then all of this like forested area looks absolutely incredible. So you can see there's the pool, there's a little restaurant that we're going to, and then there's like a whole bunch of shops and stuff all down here, and then down there further. How is it?
Very refreshing.
So it is lemon, soda water, sugar, and the cacique, which is like an alcohol here in Costa Rica. It's similar to vodka, but it's pretty good. This camera's power's about to die, so we will see you in a little while. Right, we got a new battery. I think it's about 6:30, but I wanted to get a view of the sunset. It's pretty much all the way down already, but looks unreal. Okay, focus. Like, this is insane. Like, this is a postcard or a scene from a movie. We are walking down from the hotel. This is a very steep decline.
Bumpy
That's
hill.
the hotel up there. This is the descent.
God.
It's very, very steep.
Especially for slightly drunk people.
Yeah, so both of those, so it was 2 for 1 for happy hour, and both of those drinks they poured 2 shots in each.
So
we had like 4 shots, like 4 drinks.
Instantly.
Yeah, it hit me like as soon as we finished the first drink and started the second one. It was, yeah, it was just like. But this is crazy nice. What?
Closed.
Well, yeah, most of the places are gonna be closed. It's Sunday night.
Or
We might have to go back up to the restaurant, but we're gonna see if anything is still open. We might end up right back up there where we just hiked down from. But we will take you guys along for the adventure. See you guys in a little bit. It looks like literally everything is closed, but we'll see. Oh, there's a market there and liquor store.
Dude, we don't need any more alcohol.
No, but I mean to get that cacique before we leave.
I'm hungry.
Okay, we gotta find a restaurante. We will show you where whenever we get to one. We made it to Marlin Restaurante. Went for a little bit of a hike to get here, but prices seem pretty good and they have a really good selection for the menu. So we're thinking of getting fish tacos for like an appetizer, and then I'm going to get like teriyaki sesame oil fish fillet, and then Tabi was going to get, what was yours? Hamburguesa de atún. So fresh grilled tuna, avocado, lettuce, tomato, onion, and fries. And then I am getting this guy, filet de atún fresco. So this is a tuna filet with teriyaki and sesame oil served with wasabi and soy sauce. And then it comes with steamed veggies and a baked potato. So it sounds like an amazing meal. The prices here are pretty good. It's about each meal is about like 7,000 colones, which is about, I don't know, $12 US. So not too bad for a restaurant. But we're going to get our food, possibly one more drink each, and we'll show you what we get. See ya. We got our first drinks. This is Del Tropico, which is basically like banana, pineapple, orange juice, a whole bunch of things, and some alcohol. I think it's rum in there. And then Tabi got 2 for 1 sangria.
I'm trying to look up our hotel.
Brad, we got our appetizer, some fish tacos. Here is the first fish taco. We'll take a bite, see how it is. Very good. It's really good. Alright. I'm gonna finish this up and we'll show you the main dishes. Once again, again for the second night in a row. Tabi got way more food than I did, but they both look really good. Here's Tabi.
I'm putting guac on it.
And here is mine. So I have this tuna steak with the teriyaki and salmon oil, potato, baked potato, and mixed veggies. Looks really, really good. And so does that. We got medium rare tuna. I don't think I've ever been anywhere before where they ask how you want your tuna cooked, but looks really, really good. So we're gonna try it out. It's really, really salty, but also really good. We just finished the meal. For an honest rating, I don't know, I would say this place maybe like a 6.5 out of 10. That was literally the saltiest meal I think I've ever eaten in my life. Yeah, it was still pretty good. It was just super salty. You know, whatever soy sauce they used. The fish tacos were really good. Tabi's burger was actually really good. She just didn't really like that it was medium rare. But I didn't have a problem with that. I thought it was really good. The only other thing is like we didn't really get much service. They kind of like forgot us in the corner here. And then like when we were in the middle of eating our meal, the guy randomly came over to bring us our bill and then asked if we had already asked for it, and we didn't. So yeah, service was kind of, I don't know, so-so, not very good. And the food was pretty good. So yeah, like 6.5 out of 10 would be what I'd say for this place. But the prices aren't too bad. The drinks were good, and the appetizer was good. So yeah. Now for the rest of the night, I think we're just gonna chill out. We have to be up early tomorrow because we have to eat breakfast and then get to Capos, just like 15-minute drive for 8:30 in the morning, and then we have the catamaran tour. So we're definitely gonna bring you along for that. Get some sweet snorkeling footage with the GoPro, and yeah, we will see you there. Peace. We're back hiking up the hill to our hotel. Someone did not do enough cardio.
Why do you think I didn't lose any fat?
She's stuck on the stairs. We are working our way up this hill. But as you can maybe see, this is a steep ass hill. So there's not much else we're doing tonight. So this will probably be it for tonight. If you guys are still watching, be sure to give that a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Tabi almost fell up the stairs. And we will see you guys in the morning.
Oh God.
Thanks for watching.
If I make it.
See you soon. Bye. Alright, so the morning is here. We are going on the catamaran this morning. It is only 7 a.m. The alarm went off at like 5:45 because for some reason my phone shows both times, and then when I set the alarm it was going off according to like the time back home, and so yeah, so alarm ended up going off at like 5:45. Slept longer and then got up at like 6:30 just because it's like so bright out here, and I don't know, we ended up falling asleep around like 10:30 or something last night. So here is a quick view of the morning to show you that. Like, just unreal. So now we have breakfast is covered here every morning. We've already kind of prepaid for that. And then we have lunch on the catamaran. So I'm gonna be switching over to the GoPro, and we're gonna get some cool shots on the catamaran and underwater and everything too. So super pumped about that. This is gonna be awesome. I heard the snorkeling might not be the greatest, like just with the water, like how clear the water will be, but we're gonna be hopeful. I did hear that there's tons of fish and stuff, and that's what it's all about. So yeah, we're gonna go eat and we will catch you in Capos probably. And then catamaran time. Peace. Here is what we got for breakfast. It's the typical breakfast: fried eggs, gallo pinto, and fried plantain. What was yours? Scrambled?
Scrambled eggs with pepper, tomato, and onion.
Oh, that was really good. We're gonna eat this and we will see you on the catamaran.
So, someone forgot to charge the GoPro. So we are resorted to using my iPhone. Hopefully we get good videoage. But we're gonna try our best, so bear with us and we'll try to get some good shots. We'll see. Alright.
We'll get some stuff on the boat and then the GoPro's at like, I don't know, maybe
a quarter,
10%
not
battery.
even, low battery.
So I'm gonna take it into the water when we go snorkeling. Hopefully we'll catch some
Something
fish.
quickly, little bit.
Yeah.
We'll go from there. But we'll try our best. See you guys later. You weigh too much, Tyler.
Dippy, Dippy, Kuruli, Kuruli.
I like the flowers. Oh, look at them. Okay, we're on our way.
It's cool.
Heading back to the shuttle to go back to the resort.
Yeah, that was good.
Look at you. This is not food. Sorry, dude. It's not food. I'm just videotaping you. I'm invading your privacy.
We were hanging out by the pool. Now we just came to a little supermarket here, and we finally found, for the first time in Costa Rica, sugar-free Monsters. Are we gonna get it? Colones. It's like it's pretty much the same price. It's like $2 or something. Really wondering what this is. Max Energy Zero. I'm gonna take a look at it. $33.7 caffeine? Seems really light in caffeine. I'm gonna put that back. So the caffeine on here, only 70 milligrams. Caffeine. Apparently they don't have much caffeine in Costa Rica here. These Monsters, it says they're only 70. It seems kind of weird because it's Christmas Eve today. So far we've snorkeled, been out on the water, been sitting by the pool, and now we're down by the main little like strip here. You can see the ocean behind. We've got that Monsters. What sign?
Spanish in Costa Rica in 10 seconds.
Oh, yeah, this is kind of funny. This is a little Spanish lesson for you here in Costa Rica. It says, hi equals pura vida. How are you? Pura vida. I'm fine. Pura vida. Yes, pura vida. Thank you, pura vida. You're welcome, pura vida. Bye, pura vida. Pura vida means like basically pure life, simple life, and so that sign there is like a little bit of a joke. But yeah, this is our view on Christmas Eve this year. Palm trees, ocean, little shops, supermarkets and stuff. What do you think?
Perfect.
Alright, so we're gonna keep looking, keep kind of walking around. Probably. I don't know. Well, we're gonna walk around and we'll show you if we find anything cool. We checked out a few shops. Tabi almost got hustled by a little kid.
I sure did.
They have these masks here that are carved out of balsa wood. I guess the story behind them is they're from the Barocan tribe or whatever. They made these masks to scare away the Spanish from the Spanish Inquisition, and now they use them as like a decoration for the home for protection. But they're all like hand carved and then painted with like acrylics and stuff. So they're all like one of a kind. Yeah, really cool looking, but they are expensive.
The one I like in Paco is $55 American, and the one that I wanted in there, the kid was trying to sell it to me for $90 American.
Yeah, it was like 50,000 colones.
It was bigger than the $55 one, but
yeah, which would convert to like roughly like 90 US. And then the kid was
Canadian.
Yeah. But then the kid was like, oh, for you, I have a good deal. Like, I can give you 48,000 colones. And he was pretty funny. He was like, I don't know, maybe 10. Oh God, I got so rocking on the beach, as you can see.
You probably can't hear because it's
oh, there's monkeys right ahead of us. We're heading back to our hotel. Oh, look, there's 3 of them. No, 4 of them. Holy shit, there's like a whole school of them. I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh my God, look at that.
That's so funny. Hey, monkey. That's so cool.
Oh my God, there's one above me. Here's a baby buggy.
Did you get They're nuts. Yeah, oh, you see him jump? I don't know if I got that on video.
That's so cool.
Yeah, well, that was pretty cool. Just heading back to our hotel to change and get ready for either like a drink or a little bit of food. And we saw all these little monkeys climbing on the telephone lines.
Electrical line.
Yeah. And that up there is where we have to get to. So we gotta hike up this hill again. A little golf cart up. This is what we see.
Pardon? Second one.
Second. It's a long hike. Long hike. Very steep. We made it. Gracias.
Gracias.
Looks crazy. Super nice. Our plan is to grab a drink quick up here at the hotel because it's happy hour for like another half hour, which is 2-for-1 drinks, and then we're going to go down to a little place called Costa Linda for dinner because it's a little bit cheaper and we've been spending a decent amount on food so far. So see you there. Right, so we're here, we got our drinks, we got 2 caparinas. Caipirinas. I don't know if you can see that, but these guys right here. So, gonna have these, and then we'll probably go get some food in a little bit. So, cheers. It's kind of like a lemonade, lemon lime lemonade. Are you having yours?
I'm posting stuff for me, so I'm going to do it right now.
Cheers. We're gonna enjoy these, and then we'll show you when we get down to Costa Linda for some food. Adios. We got here to Costa Linda. We got a mango daiquiri, a pineapple daiquiri, and the prices here are way better. And there was a little dog and his surfer buddy who takes care of him, and he was telling us to come down to the end of the beach, and the little dog like surfs with him too. So we're gonna go check that out. But we have fajitas coming for me, and Tabi's getting spaghetti with chicken in like a cream sauce. I think it'll be like almost like an Alfredo type thing. We're definitely eating here more and getting drinks. Like stuff is like less than half the price of everywhere else, in huge portions, good service. There's Tabi's. It's a shitload of pasta. And then here is my fajita and fries. Like, this is a massive plate with a salad and fries. How is it? They gave me way more toppings than they did shells, so I had to load this up and try it, even though it's like scalding my hand. It's really good. It's like a barbecue sauce and everything.
I love this, bro. You want to know my tattoo?
Sí.
Look
¿Cuántos perros
8 years.
tiene?
No, just skin.
You need to teach me.
Ya. Te amo. ¿Usted me ama? ¿Usted me ama? ¿Usted me ama? Did you love me, bro? Did you love me? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes?
Alright, so we just finished dinner at Costa Rica. That's the best place we've been to. For like value wise, we spent $30 US for both of us, like we each got a drink and our main course, and that covered like the whole meal and the tip and everything. So it was amazing, and they were really friendly there, and the service was really good. The food was really good, so definitely
We're gonna eat there every single night.
yeah, definitely going back there the next couple nights. I think it's like struggling to focus here, but yeah, that was really good. Now we are on our way back to the hotel,
Because we're not gonna go with that surfer dude to have a bonfire, because who knows what he's doing.
yeah, there's this so yeah, there was like this surfer dude with his dogs, which are actually
Really cute,
super
but one
cute.
has a hurt paw.
Yeah.
He called me a veterinarian because I asked about it.
Why won't this focus? There. But he invited us to a bonfire, and he made me take his number down and called himself Baywatch.
On WhatsApp.
Yeah, on WhatsApp. So, I don't know, I think we're just gonna head back to the hotel, chill out. We actually leave for Hako Beach again tomorrow morning. Well, tomorrow in the afternoon. We have our first surfing lesson. So we're gonna be surfing on Christmas Day. So yeah, pretty pumped about that. We're gonna head back to the hotel now, and we will check in with you guys again later. Peace. Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas. Santa comes tonight. It is Christmas Eve. Does not feel like it at all. But we're having a great time. So we will see you tomorrow. Surfing. This is like the one thing I've been the most pumped about. Surfing has been on my, well, Costa Rica, going to Costa Rica has been on my bucket list for like 8 years. And surfing has been on my bucket list since I can remember.
But Costa Rica's been on our bucket list since we've been together.
Yes. This has been a trip we've wanted to take for a very long time.
Yep.
And now we're finally here. We're living it. We're doing it. Woo!
Oh my god.
I love you.
Love you too.
And we love you.
Smash the thumbs up button.
Yeah, hit the thumbs up button if you're still watching this, because you're watching
Subscribe.
Yeah, and subscribe because you're watching us lie on a bed and yell at a camera. It's pretty lame, but we're gonna go jump in the pool, or I am, and we're probably just gonna watch a show and pass out because I'm really tired and we got so much sun. I'm hoping this brutal sunburn I got turns into a tan and doesn't peel. So
That's why we got the Arbonne jelly.
yes, we will see you in the morning. Have a good night.
Peace.
Merry Christmas. Peace. Bye.
Just a moment of time and I open the blinds to all them that's still sleeping on me. Still they steady creeping on me, cause I'm the one that's spinning their dreams. They try to stop, but I still believe. Shit, I'm on my own, in my own scene. Pinning this shit like Oak Key. Doing everything that I owe me, so I live head up like a nosebleed.